Introducing the Handheld Vehicle Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate cleaning companion for your car. With its powerful suction, wireless convenience, and versatile functionality, this vacuum cleaner makes car cleaning a breeze. Here's what makes it stand out. Rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. With a rechargeable lithium battery, simply recharge the vacuum cleaner and use it again and again, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Wireless convenience. No more tangled cords or limited mobility. The wireless feature allows for easy and convenient use in any room, giving you the freedom to clean wherever you need to. Powerful suction. Equipped with a 60W motor and strong suction power, this vacuum cleaner effortlessly removes even the toughest stains and dirt from your car interior, leaving it fresh and clean. Dry and wet use. Whether you're dealing with dry dirt or liquid spills, this vacuum cleaner has you covered. Suitable for both dry and wet use, it's versatile and perfect for any cleaning task your car may require. Product versions. Pro version AU00020 featuring a new upgraded brushless motor and an impressive vacuum degree of 98,000 PA. This version offers powerful performance for thorough cleaning. It comes with various accessories and a Type-C charging line for added convenience. Basic version AU00021 equipped with an ordinary motor and a vacuum degree of 8,000 PA. This version still provides efficient cleaning at a more affordable price point. It also includes accessories and a Type-C charging line for easy charging. Product specifications. Material: ABS. Motor: brushless motor, Pro version, ordinary motor, basic version. Vacuum degree: 98,000 PA, Pro version, 8,000 PA, basic version. Rated speed: 35500 RPM, Pro version, 15500 RPM and basic version. Battery capacity: 2x2000 mAh. Charging mode: Type-C charging line. Noise level: less than or equal to 52 dB. Operating temperature: -20 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. Package list: vacuum cleaner, accessories, 6 pieces, charging line, user manual. Weight: 550 g. With its compact design, powerful performance, and convenient features, the Handheld Vehicle Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect solution for keeping your car interior clean and fresh. Say goodbye to dirt and debris and hello to a spotless ride every time.